Hello and welcome back. We have reached the crucial part of the tutorial, sending email into the client or email message into the client. Now we are going to send a link with a token to the client email account. If the client click on that link, it will validate or it will verify his or her email. So let's do that. So you go to our browser and then we type the necessary packages that we need. We are going to use PHPMailer package for that one. It is a platform used to send email messages to clients in PHP. So to get that PHPMailer, you need to get Composer installed. Composer 2 is another platform used to install third-party packages in PHP. Okay, so let's get the Composer first. So you go to your search and then type for Composer download. And the first link will be this one. You click on it. It will bring you to this page, composer-signup.exe. Click on that link to download the Composer, okay, and install it. Installation is simple. It's not difficult. You just install it like a normal setup installation. So after that, you come and check if it has successfully been installed. So you click or you search for CMD, command prompt, okay. Then you search for Composer. Hit enter. So if you see it like this, it means Composer has been installed. So you can close this one. Then you use Composer to install the PHPMailer. Sometimes the CMD will not work. Me, for instance, it doesn't work for me, so I opted for what we call the git bash. So if you try the CMD and it is working for you, fine. If it doesn't work, then go for the git bash. So that one, to search for git bash download. Then you go to git install. You click on git install. So the git is like command prompt, but it's a special one. Okay, so come and click on this install here. Then you click on this, click here to download. So click on this, okay. If you click on it, it will pick your setup for you. You know you are on Windows, so automatically it will pick for you. Then you come and download it. After that downloading, you also install it like a normal setup installation. Then you are good to go. So after you finish getting the Composer and then the git bash installation, then you come to your project. Let's close this one. Let's close this one. Come to your project and then you click this one, the XAMPP. Then you see this, right click your folder, the project folder, and you see open git bash. Click inside the git bash. If you're not using git bash, don't worry, you can use the CMD to do that one. So to use the CMD, you double click here and then you click inside here, then you say CMD, okay, then you press enter. So it will open the CMD with your folder directly for you. So you come and type the code here, but this one, it doesn't work for me, so I'll not use it. So try if it will work for you. But to use the git bash, you should right click here and then you go to open git bash. So you click on it and then you come and type Composer require PHP/PHPMailer. So PHPMailer/PHPMailer. That's how it is. You hit enter. Then you wait for it to install, or let's say install or download anything that you want to see. So wait for it to install for you. And after it finishes installation, then you can continue. I am behind a lorry park road, okay, so the noise is here, so sometimes the car will just pass, so forgive me for the background noise. You must also do the tutorial. It must continue. It's been a long time now. Okay, so let's close this one And now we come to our project and we see some changes here. Okay, we see the vendor folder here. We see composer.json and we see composer.log. Don't worry yourself with these two files. Don't delete them, but don't open them. Then you use the folder, the vendor folder. Okay, so go to the PHPMailer again. Then you search for PHPMailer. Then you see this link, mail trap. Click inside it. Then you get all the documents involved of the PHPMailer. Okay, you get all the documents. Then they have given you some basic codes for setup. Okay, so you can come here and copy this course. So copy this one, the full codes, copy them. Then you come to your project. Then you create a new file. I created a new file called phpmailer.php. You can create any name file you want here. Okay, then you come and paste the code that you copied from the PHPMailer. Paste it here. Now this is a third party package, so we can't talk much about this. So just use this PHPMailer/PHPMailer/PHPMailer. Then use the second one, PHPMailer, then a session. Use them. Then you come and require vendor/autoload.php. So you come here, you see in the vendor folder we have autoload, so you must require this one too. Then you have to create instance of this PHPMailer class and then assign it to the mail variable. They have done all that for you. Then you put inside true. After that, the SMTP, this one will be there. Don't do anything to it. Then you come here, come and delete whatever is inside. Okay, and then you put smtp.gmail.com. Put it there like that. smtp.gmail.com. Then here, make here to be true. Okay, the ought to be true. Then your username, please put your Gmail here. That is the admin Gmail or the company that is going to send the Gmail. Put your Gmail there. Okay, so I'll put my abigjames@gmail.com. abigjames@gmail.com. Okay, then here is your password. Please, this is not the Gmail password. It is called app password. And to send Gmail from this type of application, Google sees it has to be less secure app. So they have made a restriction for you to know that you are not a fraud person or you are not a bad person. So you have to get that app password. So to get the app password, you go to your browser again, then you type my account.google.com. You press enter. It will bring you here. Okay, click on security and sign in. Click here. Then you'll be directed to this page. You should see two-step verification. Mine is on. If yours is not on, please click yours to be on. But actually, I want to change the Gmail. I don't want to use this one. I want to use this one, the one that I type inside there. So let me come here again and click on the security and sign in. Then it will bring me to the page of the step verification. That is the two-step verification. If you have not turned your own on, please click here and turn it on before you can continue. But I've turned mine on, so I can proceed. So if you turn yours on, then you come here, come and type the same thing again, my google.account.com, then /app passwords. Type it as it is, app passwords. Then you click enter. If you click enter, it will ask you to sign in again. Okay, so I want to change the Gmail once again here. Use this Abigail here. Okay, and then I will be asked to enter my password. Press enter here. Then you see it is giving you it's giving you a prompt to type your app name. I've created another app name here, but I won't use that one, so I will delete this one so that we create a fresh one. So let me name it PHP email verification. It can be any name you want. Okay, then you click on create. Then you see this password. This is the app password we are talking about. So copy all and then Control C, copy it, click done. Please, if you have not copied, don't click on done. If you click on done, you will see this again. So copy it first, then you click on done, then you are good to go. Then let's go to the course again. So we put that password here. Then let's delete the empty space here. Delete all the empty space. Then you are good to go. Now the SMTP secure will be TLS, is okay. The port will be 587, is also okay. Here, copy this email and put it here. That is your email, the company email. And then you type any name you want, title. Let's say Anscoff. Academy. Okay. Then the recipient's name, please you can type any name that you want here. It will appear on the email. So put the client's email here. So in our case, it will be variable email, the one that the user has been using it for the sign up. Okay, type it here. Then here you come and type the title. So let's say enter the link below to create or to verify your email. Okay, so this is the title. Now you see this is the body. So let's delete the text inside and make here to be true. We are going to use HTML. So we put true here. Then we come and put our h2 tag here. You can put any tag you want here. h2 tag. Then we close the h2 tag. h2 tag. We close it here. Then we put our text inside. Click here to verify your email. Then let's bring an anchor tag here. Anchor tag, the href. So let's put our anchor inside, the a inside, like that. Then the href is going to be, let's put double quotation here. That was it, not work because we're using single quotation already. So let's go to our application. I want to click here and then localhost / okay. So we want to go to the index. So let's log in before we get, otherwise we get errors because we have not checked the route parameters. Later we will check that one. If you don't log in and you want to go to the index page, you will get errors. So 1 2 3 4 5. Then I think I will log in. Okay, I've logged in. So let me copy the whole thing. And then I'll put it at the href side. Then I'll say where token is equal to $, token. We want to send the user to the index page and then with this token. Okay, then here we can see click the link to verify. Okay, verify your email. So everything is okay now. I think it's okay now. then here leave it as it is. If at this point we are going to send the email, so if it doesn't send, we see that message could not be sent. Okay, else it means it has sent. Message sent. Message has been sent. So let's give it a try. Let's go to our sign up page. Let's try to sign another person. So I will use my Abigail James. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Then I'll click submit. Already exists. So let's go to the database and delete it. Where is our database? So we want to delete the email already inside. This is skipping long. Okay, so I think it's here. Let's delete this one. And then sign the person again. So let's go to sign up. Abigail. Then the password 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Submit. And then it has redirected us to the home page. You are logging. Okay, so let's check and see if the email has this. So I'll go here. I think I can even come back here. Let me click here. Oh, it is okay. Let me click here. It seems we didn't get the message, or it has not finished loading. Yes, we didn't get the email because I think we didn't require this. So let's go to the sign up page again. No, the controller. Then we come here. Here is where we are going to send the Gmail. When the person sign up, we should require this one. Sorry for that. Require this PHPMailer.php. Okay, so the codes here will do the work for us at this point before we send it to the index page. So let's go back. Let's delete this again. Otherwise we get errors or we get warning. Then we click here, sign up again. Abigail mail 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. We submit. This error means network, and the funny aspect is that it will send it to the database. So unless you go and change it and wasting time. but we don't have any option. So let's go to the database and delete it. Come to the site again. Then let's fill the forms again. So we have Ike, Abigail, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. We click inside. Oh, wow, we are getting the same thing again. This means it could not connect to it means network error. So what is wrong with my network? I've checked my network. Let's do it again. This is the final point for us to finish, but I don't know why it is delaying us at this point. I think it has finally worked. So it was a network issue, as I said. So let's go to the what do we call it? Yes, the email, this email, okay, and see if the link is there. So enter the link below to verify your email. This is what is showing here. Enter the link below to verify your email, showing here. Okay, so let's click inside, and then we have this link. So when we click inside, we are back to the page, but we don't have any information here telling us that we have verified the email. So we will do that in the next video. We have kept long for this one, so let's pause and then continue the next video. So thanks for watching. See you there.